So this is everything needed to change out rear brakes. Obviously you got to open the brakes up. You will need a OBT scanner tool for that, more professional one. And then everything else is a fairly simple process. I already put the new rotor on, so now both sides are matching rotors. What I'm about to do right now is remove the brakes, which I did take the drills out, so they look like this, and essentially they go on the other side. So on the other side, it kind of drills into the back over here, and that's what keeps the caliper on. But you take that out using this tool, M14, I believe it's called. Like, it's not a star tool, but it's like something like that. I forget the exact name. And then here's my star bit to take out the rotor. So typically, once you remove this, I got extenders on it, as you can see. But once you remove this, it should expose the nails and things. Let's see, these are all the other things you will need. So some lubricant, brake lubricant. You want to get some brake cleaner. You want to get some de-squeak. So brake cleaner and de-squeak, a little bit different. This is a brake tool that essentially you put in like that. And then it helps spread the caliper. You will need some gloves, some hooks. Obviously you see all the other tools I got. We have a wrench, we have this to take off the wheels, a hammer but a rubber based, and it's just like a flathead, small flathead, big flathead. These are some of the tools. Alright guys, let me get back to it. I'll give you an update shortly.